Samsung has just made a game-changing announcement, and it's happening sooner than anyone expected. The highly anticipated One UI 7.0 update is officially rolling out, and if you own a Galaxy S24 series device, a wait is almost over. Mark your calendars, April 7, 2025 is the date when Samsung kicks off its biggest software upgrade in years. But that's not all. Other flagship devices, including the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6, will also start receiving the update around the same time. And if you're wondering about older Galaxy models, Samsung has confirmed that a long list of devices, including the S23 series, the S24 FE, and last year's foldables, will get the update in the following weeks. This is not just another incremental update. Samsung claims that One UI 7.0 is built from the ground up, integrating artificial intelligence in a way we've never seen before. So what makes One UI 7.0 special? Let's dive into the most exciting features that are about to transform the way you use your Galaxy phone. First up, the entire interface is getting a fresh modern design with smoother animations, redesigned widgets, and a brand new Now bar that changes how you interact with your device. But the real highlight is Samsung's deep AI integration. Imagine selecting and editing on-screen content instantly with AI Select or clean up audio in your recordings with a new audio eraser feature. Samsung is also introducing Writing Assist, an AI-powered tool that refines your text in emails, notes, and messages, making your writing look more polished and professional. And if navigating settings has ever felt like a hassle, the new natural language-based search engine in the Settings app lets you find anything just by typing or speaking in simple terms. Performance-wise, One UI 7.0 is a beast. Samsung promises smoother animations, lightning-fast app launches, and system-wide optimizations that will make your Galaxy device feel faster than ever. If you're eager to get your hands on the update, just head to Settings Greater Than Software Update Greater Than Download and install as soon as it becomes available for your phone. But wait, there's more. Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 series is stealing the spotlight with leaks surfacing just before its grand unveiling. Retail boxed images reveal Samsung's minimalist packaging approach, confirming that the boxes remain sleek and charger-free. The color lineup is equally exciting, with the Galaxy S25 available in refined gray, the S25 Plus in deep navy blue, and the S25 Ultra in a striking titanium ice blue. But it's not just about aesthetics. Samsung has taken a bold step in refining its flagship lineup with a mix of flat sides and rounded edges for a more ergonomic feel. And let's talk about what's inside. All models are powered by the ultra-fast Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, with the base S25 model now featuring a standard 12 GB of RAM. Storage starts at 256 GB, but if you need more, a 512 GB variant is also available. Samsung's decision to keep base prices steady despite rising production costs is a welcome surprise, though higher storage models do see a slight increase. Hands-on images show off the S25 Ultra's refined design, complete with premium camera rings and a sleeker back panel. Speaking of cameras, the Ultra leads the pack with a massive 200-megapixel sensor, ensuring crisp and detailed shots, while the standard models feature 50-megapixel primary sensors. Samsung's Galaxy I is a major focus this time, bringing features like night video with audio eraser, which enhances low-light footage while reducing background noise, and an improved selfie camera for more natural skin tones and textures. Battery life also sees improvements, with the S25 sporting a 4000 mAh battery, the S25 Plus packing 4900 mAh, and the Ultra housing a massive 5000 mAh cell. As expected, the S Pen remains exclusive to the Ultra, making it the ultimate productivity device. If you're a display enthusiast, the Galaxy S25 series will not disappoint. The S25 features a 6.2-inch screen, the S25 Plus comes in at 6.7 inches, and the Ultra boasts an enormous 6.9-inch panel, making it perfect for multimedia, gaming, and productivity. Samsung's software ecosystem also gets a boost with seamless data transfers via Smart Switch and a revamped Samsung Digital Wallet that offers a secure hub for cards, passes, and more. So, is the Galaxy S25 series worth the upgrade? And what are your thoughts on Samsung's AI-driven approach with One UI 7.0? Drop your opinions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Samsung's latest innovations, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cutting-edge tech updates. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.